Okay, so a particular medicine is prescribed based on a patient's weight in kilograms. The base dosage is 40 milligrams and has a 0.2 of a milligram are added per kilogram. Okay, so create a linear model to represent the dose D as a function of W, the patient's weight in kilograms. Okay, so D as a function of W, and then we want to use the mx plus b kind of formula, except it's not going to be x, it's going to be W in this case. Okay, so the slope by weight plus the base. Okay, so it says the base dosage is 40 milligrams. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 40, that's our base. And then it says it's 0.2 of a milligram times per milligram or kilogram. Okay, so her weight needs to be in kilograms, and it does say its patient's weight is in kilograms. So what we're going to do is we're going to have that base of, or not base, but 2 milligrams times her weight plus the base of 40. So basically what they're saying is the patient takes 40 milligrams no matter what. Okay, no matter what their weight is. And then they have to take an additional amount that is based on their weight. Okay, and so that additional amount is 0.2 of a milligram for every kilogram of weight. Okay, so then, and it says create a linear model to represent the dose, D. D is the variable we use to represent dose as a function of W. Okay, and so that's what this D of W. Okay, now W is the patient's weight in kilograms. Okay, so D of W equals something times the weight plus the base. And so it gives us that the base is 40 milligrams, so that's what that is. And then, because that's what everybody has to take regardless of their weight. And then based on their weight, they have to take 0.2 of a milligram more. And so that's why we would do 0.2 times W. So the final product of this is going to be the function of D as a function of W equals 0.2 times the weight plus our base amount of 40. So that's how we would figure out what the linear model would be to represent the dose as a function of W using the patient's weight in kilograms.